So basically, thanks for watching. This is Munya Scripts from Munya Scripts Lifestyle and Gary Films Production. I'm here to share with you about business cards, and basically today we would be sharing on how to create business cards for artists. Okay, specifically there are businesses that, like all the businesses that we happen to do in this world, need us to have business cards, because we looked at some of the importances of we having a business card. Okay, so what you should know is basically in any of the businesses that we do, we need business cards. And if you never watched the video that basically describes the importances of the different importances of we having business cards, please visit the description of this video and you happen to understand. So today we are going to be looking at how to create business cards for artists. Here are 5 steps for how to create business cards for artists successfully. So there are quite a number of ideas that we may happen to share, but these are some of the ideas, some of those ideas. Okay, and remember, I'm a professional graphics designer. If you're out there and would want me to design for you, maybe a business card, maybe a flyer, a brochure, a book, a magazine, or anything, a photo book, so contact me. Okay, so contact me and I can do that for you. So how to create business cards for artists. 1, you include your name. Okay, as an artist, let me say I'm creating a business card and I'm an artist, so I'm creating a business card for me or for myself. So some of what should be done would be include your name, contact information, and professional profiles. So a little bit to say about that. Make sure to include your full name in bold, okay, legible letters on your business card. So use letters that are basically easy for anyone to read. Okay, because remember, this is something that you are going to be giving out to basically represent you where you are not going to be at. Okay, so if at all I leave my business card behind, if at all I happen to give it to someone and I say I'm a creative person, so does my business card speak that? Does my business card look artistic so that it would win me more clients? So I should always have that in mind. Okay, so the second one is consider featuring your business card mission or slogan. Okay, so what is your business looking up to? Okay, so if at all I say Gary Films Production, so what is my slogan? Okay, where dreams are made real. Okay, so have some fancy slogan. And the difference of the slogan is from a motto is basically, with a motto it is basically describing what you are entitled to fulfill. Okay, then with a slogan, basically a motto is a short phrase that is entitled at, like, passing on basically what you are aiming at fulfilling with those services that you provide. And with a slogan, it is basically a simple phrase that attracts or convinces more customers. Okay, let me give you an example. With M10 it says everywhere you go maybe, and with Airtel it says a smartphone network. The smartphone network. But that does not mean, like for M10 that says go everywhere or everywhere you go. Let me say that does not mean that wherever you are going to be in this world, you are going to find the internet network. We've like gone to villages where you find that the network is not quite good as the same in town, but they have that slogan. Okay, so look at a slogan that would win you more clients. Okay, so besides that, the other thing, because remember we are looking at how to create business cards for artists. 1, we said include your name, contact information, and professional profiles. Okay, then the second we said consider featuring your business mission or slogan. Then the third one we said choose a design. Okay, choose a design. So with that design, remember I've told you, as a creative person, look at the design basically you're going to be using to make that business card, because remember you're convincing us that you're creative. So if you use a design that is basically having dull colors, maybe that is disorganized, that means basically you won't win our attention because you'll be already disorganized. So we can't employ you to like design for us because you're already disorganized. Basically, maybe what I can add on that is choose an engaging and unique design for your business card to capture the attention of viewers and build a memorable reputation as an artist in your field. Then determine which colors, fonts and layouts you want to use for your card and information, making sure that they represent your style and brand effectively. Okay, so remember that always. Then you might also feature an example of your artwork on the business card to customize it and express your skills and personality. However, make sure that you keep the information on your card clear and legible so that viewers can read it easily. So however much you want to represent a lot of stuff on your business card, make sure that you don't make it as a card for these people that are doing welding, or the builders a business card where you'll find maybe some pipes. Let me say I'm making a business card for a plumber, where you'll happen to find different maybe pipes, windows and that stuff. So make sure that you make it as brief as possible to see, okay, to see that you do what, to see that every information is represented, and besides being represented, it is also readable. And besides being readable, use fonts that are basically easy for someone to read and understand, okay? Because remember, you're not making this business card for yourself, you're making this business card for your customers to be able to contact you, to be able to read where you're located and look for you. So keep that in mind. Then print them on a high quality material, okay? Remember that you have to print these business cards on a high quality on a high quality material, okay? So after finalizing your information and design, print your business cards on a special high quality business card paper. This can express to others your professionalism and seriousness about your craft, okay? About your craft, because remember, you're convincing people, so keep that in mind. Then the fifth one is store them properly, okay? Because you won't give out these business cards when they are dirty. You won't give them out when they are like dirty, folded. And keep that in mind, that they have to be clean, they have to be proper. Keep that in mind, because they may have an order that is basically would make people refuse them. So keep that in mind. Store them properly, okay? Then tips for creating business cards. So we shall be looking at that in our third video. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can contact me to help you maybe in copywriting your music, copywriting your movies, advertising you on anything within the creative art or the creative industry. And remember, I shoot music videos, I shoot weddings, I shoot movies, and you can contact me at negotiable prices. We can talk and come to a conclusion. And I also teach, and right now I'm a tutor at UIGT, Universal Institute of Graphics and Technology, here in Uganda. So if at all you're out there and you would want to learn graphics designing, video editing, hands-on skills, remember to contact me via the numbers below this video in the description section. You may be helped, okay? As we talk, as we share, I may find out where you're going wrong and hold your hand, maybe give you some little advice that may change your creative art for the better, or even you may change mine for the better. Let us share with my contacts and information that is in the description section of this video. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and click that notification bell button to do not miss out any of my videos that I happen to shoot out and be part. And remember, this information is basically free, but if you want to donate, if you feel like supporting MUCIAN and MUCIAN lifestyle and Gary Films production, visit the description of this video. There is a PayPal link that you can go on, or then a donate link that you can click on and donate to us. Okay, and we are going to be basically carrying out a project that is called Shanana Afro project, that is going to be running from October, where I'm going to be traveling different places of Uganda to see that I equip some knowledge to the creative art, to the creative people, to see on how they can improve their lives for the better. So if you feel like supporting that project, also visit in the description section of this video and support me to see that I also support some of the creative people within my country, within those places that I will happen to go to. Okay, thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel, comment and give a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.